Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. This is Chetan and this is the Lava Z50 that was showcased by Google at the Android booth. This is the Lava Z50 with the 4.5-inch FWVGA display, 1GB of RAM and 8GB internal storage. And this is what the Android Go edition is, with some of the modified applications that are lesser in the size. And there are a few changes that you see on the Android Oreo Go or the Android Go, where you have space saving as well as a good security and a simpler way to control your data. Also, the apps are reimagined. As you can see here, there are Go applications, not the regular ones, and these are lighter, though giving you most of the functionality that you want and similar to that of the regular Android phones. And let's move to the About section to see which version this phone runs. Here as well you see the language and keyboard being the Gboard Go. That is again one of the modified applications from Google. The phone runs Android 8.1.0 and that is a Go edition with the Go is going to be used only in phones having 1GB or lesser amount of RAM. For the storage, out of 8GB storage, what you get is 5.04GB that is free for the user, and about 2.96GB is used by the OS itself. Though there's a microSD card slot for the storage expansion if you wanted that. There is Google Assistant Go as well, which would take your commands quite easily and quite well. And that is good enough for someone who wants to use the voice assistant feature. We also tried playing one of the games, that is Subway Surfer, and it did well for the initial playing, but we are not sure how that would be in the longer run. But I'm sure that you can't play high-end games on these phones with Android Go platform. And even on the Play Store, you won't find a lot of high-end games or high-end applications as well. So the phone has 5MP rear camera and a 5MP front facing camera, and the application that is given here is a bit customized one from Lava, and that is why you see some modes and camera functionality that is better than what you see on the Micromax Bharat Go. This is the camera app that has a few modes and functionalities, Super Night and Video Beauty, and on the main camera screen as well you see the Beauty mode and the Funny Cam, which are present for both the rear camera as well as for the front camera. On the front camera, the Funny Cam does show you with some effects that you see on the regular Android phones, but then again having that in an Android Go device is good enough when the budget of the phone might be lesser than 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. So this was all about the Lava Z50 that was showcased by Google in the MWC 2018. This comes with the Android Go platform and the Android 8.1.0 Oreo Go OS. I hope you like this video and stay tuned for more coverage from the MWC 2018 show floor, and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching.